Hey, what's up guys, it's Jude back with another video. In this video we'll be talking about top 3 coins that I have been personally invested in and has a great potential for your investment as well. So let's get straight into the video. Also, before getting started, I want to let you know that I have also created my Telegram group, so you can join that and we can have a general talk about crypto, and you can also share your coins that you have invested in, so I can also take that opportunity to be a part of the your top to be a part of your holding. So let's continue with the video and let's see what are the 3 coins that I have selected and I personally invested in. The first in our list is Velas. VLX coin, and the second is Switch, that is ESH, and the third is Ghost coin, that is Ghost by McAfee. So now let's discuss what are the fundamental and technical reasons to be a part of these projects. So the first in our list, as I told, that is Velas.com. It is a really interesting project. So now let's see what are they offering to the ecosystem. Your browser for Velas ecosystem. Velas multi-currency wallet allows you to store, stake and transfer your digital assets with the highest security available today. Means they are having their own personal wallet that can be used as a multi-currency wallet, which will be allowing that will be having its own inbuilt store, staking and transfer feature that will be having a great security that we are facing in the current crypto space, that is lack of security in this space. So the Velas wallet will be an ultimate protection for our cryptocurrency with highest security possible. And also I like the feature, like the point that is its CEO, that is founder Alexandrova, the founder of Coin Payments, is also the part of Velas, that is founder of Velas. As you know that Coin Payment is the largest crypto payment processor in the world, serving around 1900 different cryptos, and it's been around like since 2013. And as you know that they have increased their crypto transaction over $5 billion, and that is processed in crypto. And also, as you know that Coin Payments has recently dealt with Binance and Shopify as payment processor. So as you know that Coin Payments CEO is the CEO of the Velas project. So there can be a great chance that this coin, that is VLX, can be listed on Binance or any of the top exchanges. And as you know that CEO has already announced that they will be having 4 major exchanges announced. The one is already announced, that is Bittrex. Velas coin is already listed on Bittrex and the trading will be starting soon. Velas is the official project of Alex, while he is being still part of the shareholder on board of the Coin Payments. So you don't need to worry that he is handling both the project. No, it is not like that. The CEO has backstepped from the Coin Payments as a shareholder to give more focus on Velas project. That's why I have been invested in this project, because Alexandrova has great potential to grow this project. And as you know that Coin Payments was the main priority, but now he has been moving from Coin Payments to Velas to give his more energy to this, to grow this project and give you the most out of it. The Velas wallet is a multi-coin wallet that was designed to be a portal to the entire ecosystem. They will also be implementing a decentralized video platform, a messenger into the wallet as a part of their Vortex section. Means they will be having a feature called as Vortex that will be allowing you as a type of Facebook Messenger, from where you can send messages, videos or anything through the portal itself. So that also have a great point that we should be going with this coin, because this coin has a great fundamental reason, as well as their team is developing products as products on time, that is on the roadmap. And as you can see this, we are on mobile wallet launch, that is 2020 Q2. They have already done the research of AI and they have already announced the exchange listing. So they have been doing good amount of, so they have really good applications in the list. And also the wallet has wallet has its own staking feature. Means if you don't have a sufficient amount of VLX coin to be a master node, you can easily diligently pool stake, that is 10k VLX inside the wallet, that will be having no lockup period and no penalty if you cancel the staking anytime. And also, as I told, that VLX coin has been recently listed on Bittrex. So these are the partners, that is Mind.ai, Coin Payments, Alpina Capital, Market Across. These are all the platform that Velas is partnered with. And also you can trade VLX coin on Probit, that is having also good volume. Now let's see what is the total supply before we get invested in this platform. And I want to let you know that I have already invested in this coin, and as you can see, it is up around 4.37%. That is, and as you can see, it is growing since April non-stop. As you can see, time high is 0.09, that was on June 12, 2020. So it has a great potential to go about that, because for now it is already $0.087, and it has only grown about $0.09. Now let's move on to our second coin, that is Switch ESH. So as you know that I have made like previous like 3-4 videos about Switch, and it is doing really great. Now let's see what are the, it is down around like 4%, that is $0.08, and it has reached an all-time high of $2.49 on May 17 due to the airdrop of Ghost Coin. Ghost Coin is a part of ESH, that is the team is the same, that is Switch team is the team that is behind Ghost Coin, but the CEO is John McAfee. So make sure to go and check out their project as well. So we will be discussing in the detail in this video. So this is the all-time high, that is $2.49. It is in currently on a good dip. So if you are interested in buying, because bank supply is very less, that is 13 million ESH is the only supply. They are not having like a big supply, and also the market cap is around 100 BTC, that is 4003 Ethereum. That is a very less market cap if you are invested in, because this coin has really great potential. As soon as the supply demand increases, the supply will be less, and as you know that already the supply is very low, then there will be a huge demand that will be increasing the price. Holding Switch coin, then you will be getting a monthly dividend out of this. The fees collected from the Switch DEX and Switch coin swap will be given to the Switch holders, that is the team will be airdropping every month the fees that are collected according to the amount that you are holding. And this team has been developing products consistently since 2018, that is when the project was launched. And as you can see, the previously the layout was really simple and like not looking good, but now they have changed the complete layout and now it is looking very professional. From here we can check out all the pending, that is all the order books, and from here are orders that are being bought. So the third coin in our list is Ghost Coin, that is Ghost by McAfee. It is trading around $1.66 and it is down like 0.27%, and it reached an all-time high of $2.16, that was on June 8, 2020. So be sure to check out this coin. Now let's see what are they offering. Ghost is a proof of stake privacy coin to help make you nothing but a ghost when transacting online. Means it is a privacy coin that is on proof of stake concept. It will be giving you an opportunity to make a transaction online being a ghost, that is your transaction will not be will be on the blockchain, and it will be like in privacy transaction. And they will be having a mainnet on June 22nd, that is after 6 days from now. That is, this mainnet can also increase the price. As you know that fundamentally it is good for a coin having a mainnet. This coin that is currently it's on ERC20 contract, but it will be swapped to their own blockchain, that is Ghost blockchain, on 22nd June. So be sure to buy the coin now because the price can increase anytime. They will be airdropping 1-to-1 ratio on June 22nd To be eligible for swapping, you need to hold your Ghost coin to an ERC wallet rather than on any exchanges. These coin will be giving you privacy, decentralization, faster transaction, low fees, and ghost vertices. And also the team is developing lots and lots of stuff. That is, they have recently announced a partnership with Samsung, that is Ghost eSIM, developing Ghost eSIM that will be having an feature where you don't need to buy any SIM, that will be easily used for calling or internet without buying a physical SIM from you. And also they offer staking. If you have 10,000 Ghost coin, then you can easily make a master node and stake it. The Ghost supply is also very less. As you can see, this they are having a total supply of 33 million Ghost. That is the same of ESH. They are having a less supply. This max supply is not valid because the supply was taken from the max supply of ESH. As you can see, this, compare it side by side and you will find that the supply is same as of Ghost ESH. So if you want to be part of this, just you can easily buy. As you can see, this, the team is John McAfee, that is founder, and the lead Dave, and you can also check out the team info from here. And also the exchanges that they are trading on, that is bitcoin.com, HitBTC, Stacks, IDEX, Uniswap, Bilex. These are all the coin from where you can buy Ghost. So these are all the lists that I have personally invested in. My first priority will be the Velas, because as you know that Velas team has been developing great products since the starting, that is 2019, from the pre-alpha token swap to till the date of mobile wallet launch. It's in process. So make sure to join this Velas team. If you want to join the Velas community, just click on the link. That is the Telegram group. You can discuss about anything that you are facing, any difficulty through their wallet. The team is very active and they will be helping you as soon as possible. And also they are listed on Bittrex, so you can easily buy through that. If you want to hold this coin for long term, I suggest you buying a lots of stake, because as soon as they announce more exchanges, the price will be increasing, and they are having a very less supply through other coin. And also their current rank is 220 in the coin market cap, and their goal is to reach about like top 100 and top 30 in the list. So as according to that, you can understand the potential of this coin. If we see that after the Bittrex announcement, the coin has been jumping around from like 2-3% in a day, and it has been growing exponentially. And as you can see that the Velas ROI is around 357%. If you are invested at the bottom, till then you have been got around 357% back from this as a return if you are invested. So that was the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to hit the like button and also join my Telegram group so we can have a talk about the different platforms. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.